Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Okay, now do you remember about the analysis of functions? Kicha. Yesterday I already explained rebirth, linking, consciousness, life continue consciousness, and death consciousness. Okay, do you remember? Okay, good. About the number 4th, avajjana. Avajjana means perform the function of adverting. Adverting, page number 5, adverting. Okay, there are two types of adverting consciousness. Yeah, Fido adverting consciousness when a sense object impinged on one of the 5 physical sense door. The mind adverting consciousness when an object arises in the mind. Okay, there are two consciousness. I already explained before, no? The Fido adverting consciousness after arrest bhavanga. Okay, after arrest bhavanga arising that consciousness to take the same one of the 5 objects, color or sound or smell or taste or tangible. Okay, but the mind or adverting consciousness, the take object from vibrate bhavanga or from arrest bhavanga. The mind or adverting consciousness taking object. Okay, take the example chitta process. Okay, now this is a mind process. This is a mind, the mind process, or this is a adverting consciousness, mind adverting consciousness. This mind taking object from where? From here. Vibrate bhavanga chalana bhavanga upacheda. Object taken from here. That's why in the Abhidhammatta Sangha explaining Manodwarang Uchati Bhavanga. The Bhavanga, it's called Mindo. This is special name. Special name for the Bhavanga. The Mindo. Okay. This is a adverting moment. This is the Fido chitta process. Cognitive, no? Cognitive. Okay. Now this one. This is a Fido. It's an example Ido process. This is a adverting moment. Fido adverting consciousness. This one taking object from color or according to place, sound or etc. Okay. This is the adverting moment. Now the there are two perform the functions of adverting consciousness. What are the two? Now you have you can see the two places, no? There are two consciousness, but both are rootless functionals, ahetuka mind, no any roots. Okay. Next one, to perform each of the functions of seeing. There are two eye consciousness. It's called seeing, dassana, seeing function of seeing. Dassana kiccha, Pali. Dassana kiccha. Dassana means seeing. What are the two eye consciousness? One of the resultant of unwholesome, one of the resultant of rootless wholesome. Okay? They're very easy to understand. When you are going to see the good thing, at that time, good eye consciousness, good resultant mind. When you are seeing the bad thing, bad resultant mind. It's okay. Very easy to remember. Only two. Don't have three eye consciousness. But we have two eye, but don't misunderstand. One eye for the good, one eye for the bad, not like this. Okay. The same way, hearing also, there are two ear consciousness. For smelling also, two consciousness. For the tasting also, two consciousness. Sometimes not taste, for sometimes very bitter. Every day someone can get the bitter food, bitter cold, but someone not happy, no? This is akusala vipaka. But sometimes doctor suggests you should take this one, but we have to take for because of our health condition. But this is akusala vipaka. Why? This is not. Yeah, but their mind not happy, not the bitter, no? Turn not, no. Turn not accept. Yeah, but anyway, you have to understand by according to your own view. Touching also, there's the good and bad. Okay. Next one, this receiving mind. How many receiving? There are two. Okay, the chitta process. Okay, here, SP, sampatichana. This is a receiving mind. Because the receiving mind arising in the heart base. But eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, they are different place that take the object from different door. But anyway, if we want to know what is this object, if someone want to analyze this object, we should this object have to take the receiving mind. This object must join with the heart base. Because the eye consciousness cannot analyze anything. Just only see, only color, only they can see only ultimate reality, paramatta. They cannot see the panyati concept also. But now this is a box, no? This is a tissue box. But this is a panyati, this is a concept, the name. But many time eye consciousness arises, many process. Because we are taking a separate one by one color, the blue, the different color, no? But they take the color, size, everything different. Eye consciousness arises. After that, all together combined in the heart base. They have going another the line, another process. At that time, oh, this is a box, or this is a tissue box. We can recognize, we call, it is the thing. But they have the way, but later, the next chapter you can understand. This is the way. But anyway, the receiving mind, also as in the heart base, the object they are receiving from ear or from eye or ear, nose, tongue, body. This is receiving. There are two types of receiving mind. What are the two? One of the wholesome resultant and another one is unwholesome resultant. After that, they have the investigating. Three perform the function of investigating. Oh, how many investigating consciousness? There are three. Okay, do you remember what are the three? Okay, take your Chitta notes, previous Chitta notes. Page number 5. Please find the investigating consciousness. Please find. Number 7 in the first group. Neutral feeling, investigating consciousness. In the second group, number 7 and 8. Pleasant feeling, investigating consciousness, and neutral feeling, investigating consciousness. How many? 3. Okay, how many? 3. There are 3. Two rootless resultant accompanied by equanimity, wholesome result and unwholesome result. And the rootless wholesome resultant accompanied by joy. Okay. Okay, next one. After Chitta process, please. Okay. After they have the number 8, Vattapana. Okay. Means determine. Determine consciousness. Determining. But this consciousness, we already explained before, sometime become Yoniso Manasikara or Ayoniso Manasikara. Actually, according to our Chitta notes, don't have any determining consciousness. Do you can find the name of determining? No. No, under the 89 consciousness. This is a mind, the different, the one of the name of mind-o adverting consciousness. It's a different name. The different function. Actually the same Chitta, but they are doing two functions. In the Fido process become determined, in the Mind-o process become mind-o adverting. This is two functions. Okay, after determining, arising Javana. How many Javana here? 7. Each other has a different or same Javana? When the object coming, arises same Javana or different Javana in the one process? In the one process they have 7 Javana. Yeah, they take the same object. My means all are Javana same or not same? The same object, same consciousness. Okay, between the 7 Javana cannot appear different Javana, no? cannot appear. But anyway, you have to know how many Javana consciousness under the our Chitta nodes. How many Javana consciousness? How many Javana consciousness? Because according to Chitta process, there are 7. But we want to know, example now, sometimes arises Lobha mind. That is different Javana. Sometimes dosa, different Javana. Sometimes delusion, different Javana. Huh? Sometimes the Jhana mind, different Javana. I want to know how many Javana arising. 55. Huh? Huh? In the notes, they already mentioned the 55. Okay? With the exception of the 2 types of adverting consciousness, the 55 types of unwholesome or wholesome, frozen and functional consciousness perform the functions of Javana. Okay? Javana means sometimes wholesome, sometimes unwholesome, sometimes frozen, sometimes functional. Now, okay, one by one you can, they have the 55 chittas that function as javanas are 12 unwholesome chitta. Okay, one of the 12 akusala can be chitta. Okay. One of the 12 akusala can be javana. And they have the 21 wholesome chitta. But 21 wholesome chitta can be javana, but they have a different do. Because if you are talking the I do, because of the color object, we cannot attain the jhana. Someone can? We are taking the color object with the I do, we can attain the jhana with the I do? In the I do process? Cannot. Someone reached to the Nibbana, the Sotapatti Magga and Phala, can appear in the I do? You can see the Nibbana in the I do, from the I do? No. They have the different javana for the each do. But our next lesson is about that. But anyway, briefly, you try to catch the meaning. One of the 12 akusala and one of the great 8 kusala can be javana in the eye, do, ear, nose, tongue, body. Okay? One of the 12 akusala or one of the great 8 kusala. Okay? For us. Example now, you want to offer the flowers for the Buddha, but you are seeing the Buddha by eye do. This is eye process, eye do process. This javana become wholesome. Huh? Yes. Yeah, but I do means not only the 17 mind movement. Okay? After 17 mind movement, they have the following chitta process. They have the following 5 process to until understand what is the object. But all the group we call I process. But following chitta process, we cannot measure the different. We cannot say the mind process. Okay. They have the link. After 17 mind movement, they have the few bhavanga. After few bhavanga, again mind taking the same object, continuously going, again and again, again and again, again and again. But they have the way. But I'm not going to explain now. Okay, they have the way because usually the example now I told the one time can take only one color, cannot take many colors, many size. Okay, that take after that they combine together in the following process. The example, saddang patama chittena titang dutiya cetasa attang chatutta tatiya chittena naman chatutta cetasa. They have explained. Example now, I am listening sound. Okay, someone say Buddhang. Okay, how many alphabet there? Yeah, Buddhang. There are two syllables. Okay, Buddh, one process. We are listening to Buddh, one process. Dhang, another process. Okay, each syllabus there's a different process. Then after 17 mind movement, again take all the atita. Atita means they take the all past object, combine. After that, the samuha gana, to all together they combine, become one word. Listen, the Buddh, second Dhang, become Buddhang. But we are very fast, Buddhang. But we can listen. Actually, already the many chitta process already gone. But we cannot catch. Yeah, already. So more than 17. Book means already complete. Yeah, book means already complete. Because this is the English I don't know how to count the syllabus. But BOOK. Must have. Because if you recognize this is a box, okay, box means already more than 70 because the within the 1 second, how many the chitta rising? Yeah, million type of chitta rising. Okay, that's a chitta very fast, but our body not support to not follow like chitta. Okay, that's why sometimes some meditators or the people they can understand if someone the mind working together with the body, either he not tired, he not too tired. Sometimes mind very fast, but body cannot adjust with the mind. Either too tired, he won't take rest. Yeah, this is a meaning. Sometimes if who has a healthy body, he can follow with the mind together. Together he can work together. At that time, he concentrate and everything he can do successfully. But sometimes the mind very fast, but body cannot catch the mind. Yeah, sometimes sometimes you want to do many things, no, but mind already run. But we are still doing doing. The mind want to do this one, arrange. Mind already quickly they arrange, but body not yet ready to do. At the time too tired. If the but the Lord, our Lord Buddha and Bhante Ananda, but they are the mind and body, they are together working very fast. The Lord Buddha can do many things, no? Very fast. Then within the 1 second, Lord Buddha can disappear to the Brahma world. Within our hand stand and then yes, at that moment, the Lord Buddha can come to the human world within 1 second. But we cannot do. But who has psychic power? Because who is the maintain the mind? Who has the practical knowledge? The practice the mind. He can do. But for the normal life, that's why sometimes difficult to understand the chitta process. But we are teaching one by one, slowly by slowly, but not run like this. Very fast. The chitta process is very fast. Okay, now but anyway, the whole the total the javana means one of the 7. Always javana arising in the heart base, not the eye base, not the ear, not the nose, not the tongue, not the body, in the heart base. Okay? Depending with the object and depending with the door, but they arise in different javana. But in the totally, there are 55. Totally how many? 55. What are the 55? 12 akusala, 21 kusala. 4 resultant, supermundane, the 4 fruition, and 18 functioners. What are the 18 functioners? Okay, take your chitta notes. Okay. Now you know the 12 akusala. Okay? 21 kusala. Please let me know what are the 21 type of wholesome. According notes, please check by yourself. Page number 7, the first group. The page number 7 in the first group of page number 7, this is a wholesome. Sense sphere, beautiful consciousness. This is a wholesome. Okay? There are 8. Okay? This mark, there are 8 kusala. Page number 8, there are first 5 jhana. This is a wholesome. 5 jhana. Fine material, sphere, consciousness. 5 wholesome. Okay? But anyway, in the chart, the number 9, the page number 9, they have the chart. Rupa, Vachana, fine material sphere, wholesome. There are 5. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. The 5 jhana. Okay? Did you find? Page number 9. Page number 9. They have a chart, no? The first. Okay? Page number 11. They have the immaterial sphere wholesome. There are 4. Boundless space base, boundless consciousness base, nothingness base, and neither perception nor non-perception base. Okay? How many now? 8 plus 5 plus 4. How many? 17. Okay, go next page. Last one. There. Supermundane wholesome consciousness. There are 4. 4 path knowledge, path consciousness. Now 21. Okay, this is 21 wholesome mind. All we call jhana, arising in the jhana movement. Okay. Now the four resultant means the four fruition knowledge, four fruition consciousness means the supermundane resultant consciousness. Page number 12. They have the chart, the second paragraph. See, stream entry fruition. One return fruition, non-return fruition, arahat fruition. Yes, because because we are counting briefly, not detailedly. Oh no, this is different. No? This is a lokuttara, this is super mundane jhana, okay? Fine material jhana, yes. Because this is a super mundane jhana's object is nibbana, okay? What are the 18 functional consciousness? Okay, go page number 7. They have 8 type of functional, great functional. Page number 7. Okay. Same way, page number 9. They are fine material sphere functional, 5 jhana for the arahat. Page number 9. Same way, page number 11. There are 4 immaterial sphere functionals. Okay, now how many? 17. One more. Where? Can you find? Okay, I can find for you. Okay, page number 5. The last consciousness of page number 5. What is the last one? Yeah, smile producing consciousness. This is also one of the jhana for the arahat. Arahat, the smile consciousness. Smile mind. Okay? Now there are 18, no? Already? How many jhana consciousness? 55. But now you should keep in your mind by the number, the separate number. Later you can apply practically according to the door and object. Okay. Now the last small paragraph, the page number 6, the original lesson. Na? Please go to your original lesson. The 8 great resultants and the 3 types of investigating consciousness, totaling 11, perform the functions of registration. This means chitta process. Okay. After 7 jhana arising, one of the 2 tadaramana, registration mind. The one of the 11 consciousness arising. What are the 11? 8 great resultant or one of the 3 investigating consciousness. Actually now now we can find the many, but one cheta, they have a different function. No? But the example now, the one of the investigative mind, but they have the different function. But the same mind arising. Sometimes investigating function, sometimes birth linking function, sometimes life continue function, sometimes death consciousness function, sometimes registration function. Okay, go next page, then you can understand. Okay, page number 7. The table classification of functions by consciousness. Now what we had learned now. Now this chart, Patisandhi, relinking. How many consciousness? There are 19. Already explaining. Bhavanga and same. Avajana there are 2. The scene there are 2. Investigating there are 3. Mind 1. Javana there are 55. And registration there are 11. The dead there are 19. Now we already started this one. Can? No? No. Example, yesterday I already explained about the birth, the relinking, no? The birth linking mind moment. How many consciousness arising in the several existent world? There are 19. I explained already, no? Sometimes they have in the woeful place, in the human world, in the Brahma world, in the immaterial world. There are 19. This is the summary of our lessons. No understand? Deep. But anyway, may you try. Because if yeah, because why? Not enough one time. You know, in the Vinaya commentary, they have the history. Because when the Bhante Buddhaghosa write down the Vinaya commentary, then he used the ancient commentary. They have the 5 commentary, the Maha Attakatha, Kurundiya Attakatha, Pacharya Attakatha, Andhaka Attakatha, Sankepatta. There are 5 commentaries before Buddhaghosa Acharya, teacher of the Buddhaghosa. Then he take the all commentaries. Then before he write down, he check the commentary, what their explanation. Okay, sometimes they have the Vinaya question, some argument, some bhikkhus argument. At that time, I remember the 2 of the popular bhikkhus was in the past. The one of the bhikkhus, the Paduma, another bhikkhu Summa. Paduma and Summa, 2 bhikkhus. The Paduma bhikkhu, if I'm not wrong, Paduma bhikkhu study whole Vinaya with the commentaries together under the teacher more than 10 times. Okay, more than 10 times. I remember the Summa Bhante only study 9 times. Only 9. Okay, 9 times. But when the student they have the Vinaya question, they are always discussing from the 2 teachers. But everyone respect to the Bhante Paduma. Why? Paduma Bhante already studied many times. His explanation quite accurate compared to the others. Sometimes the other bhikkhus not take the meaning of the Bhante Summa. But the commentary may explain together. This is a Bhante Summa's explanation. This is Bhante's Paduma's explanation. Buddha Goswami take the two, but lastly, Bhante Paduma is right. The same way, we have to study Abhidhamma not enough one time. Huh? Many time. Because if you can catch it in the one time, it's good. It's a good parami. We had a good experience in the past life. But sometimes difficult to catch within the one time. But we need to spend a lot of time. This is also, we are collecting the parami. We are fulfilling the parami. We are preparing the parami, preparing for our next life maybe. If you cannot successful Abhidhamma in this life, if you cannot successful your meditation in this life, you should not give up. If you give up means you in future so you cannot catch, cannot understand anymore. You have to practice slowly by slowly, but they take time. Now during the Kassava Buddha's time, one of the bhikkhu, every night he reciting the Abhidhamma in his cave. But 500 beds, they are listening the behind of the cave. Only they are listening, but they not understand. Only they are listening. Because every day same words, same sentence. Now later all are the birds become familiar, this sound. Anyway, end of their life, all other 500 the birds became Deva in the Deva world. Okay? During our Buddha Sasana, or during our Buddha's time, all are 500 Devas reborn in the Savatthi city in the different family. The same day they reborn, become the 500 young boy. The 7 years after enlightenment, when our Lord Buddha going to Deva Loka to give Abhidhamma, before going, Lord Buddha they make the Yamaka Mahapatihara to win miracle powers. At that time, all of 500 the young boys became monk. Because they are after seeing this one, they are very happy. They have a lot of faith for the Buddha. Then they became monk. Then Lord Buddha, all of 500 disciples gave to the Bhante Sariputta to teach. Then Bhante Sariputta every day going to see the Buddha during the Vasa, during the Abhidhamma talk. Then Lord Buddha every day give a brief explanation, brief thing for the Bhante Sariputta. Bhante Sariputta teach for the 500 monks. Then end of Vasa, when the Lord Buddha finished Abhidhamma talk in the Deva world, the same moment, the human world also finished the Abhidhamma and all 500 bhikkhu became Arahat with the 4 analytical knowledge. That's why they're only listening. That's why. But sometimes we cannot understand. Sometimes difficult to catch. But anyway, you should try to get 1 or 2 or 3 words. Try to get the meaning. But sometimes you have to spend a lot of time. But anyway, this is your preparing for your Nibbana. You are collecting the parami to enter the Nibbana. You have to think. Okay? Don't give up.
Try to understand between function and jhana. So they perform, let's say, investigate 3 functions, right? So it's the same object.
No, different object.
So during that 9 moment, 3 functions actually happens.
During the one process, you means?
One process only
during the one process, possible to the two function, possible two function, because in the investigating moment only investigating functions. Okay, the registration moment, the registration functions, but this is the chitta same, but sometimes they take object different.
I mean the same
Mind.
mind, let's say investigating three function, right?
Yes.
So at that particular moment, three function actually happens together.
No, not together. Because the three cannot happen in the same process. Example now, you can write this thing. They have only 8 wholesome mind, great wholesome mind. Okay? They have 8. But different, but all the time we cannot say the 8 wholesome mind working the same way, to get same. Example now, first consciousness, example, the Somanasa Sahagata Jnana Sampayutta Asankarika. One consciousness accompanied by pleasure associated with knowledge and unprompted. This consciousness arising because of offering dana. Okay, offering dana. But this is the object, the offering dana, arising this process. Next time, taking the observe sila, around same mind. And sometimes you are doing service for the sangha, around same mind. But the mind, the function same, but object different. Because according to they have the 10 type of meritorious deeds. Dana, sila, bhavana. Understand meaning? Patti dana, sharing merits. Pattanumodana, rejoicing of merit. Veya vacha, doing service, activity, like kapya service, volunteer service, veya vacha. Apachayana, respect to the seniors, for the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, including teachers, venerables, etc. And Dhamma Desana, giving Dhamma talk. Dhamma Savana, listening Dhamma. Ditti Jukamma, keeping your right view. This is a 10 type meritorious. But according to 10 type meritorious, arising only one of the 8 wholesome. Don't have more than 8 wholesome, but object different. Okay, that's a mind. All the mind, the function same, but object different. According to the chitta process. The same way about investigating. Actually, there are 3 investigating consciousness. Among the 3, the one of the 3, it's so joy investigated with joy. This consciousness, there are how many functions? There are 2, only 2. Only between the investigating functions and registration function. Other 2, they have the investigating consciousness with accompanied with equanimity. There are 2 consciousness. They have the 5 functions each mind. There are 5 functions for each mind. Okay, but our next page, no? I think. Yeah. Page number 9. Yeah. See? Of them, the 2 type of investigating consciousness accompanied by equanimity perform 5 functions. You see? Perform 5 functions. Rebirth, linking, life continue, death, registration and investigating. What are the 5? I can remind again for you. Okay, what are the two means? They are one of the resultant of unwholesome. Do you remember? One of the investigative mind. What is one of the resultant? One of the unwholesome resultant. In the woeful place, all are the woeful beings. What is their birth link in moment? It is a investigative mind. Same way their life continue also investigative mind. Their dead consciousness also investigative mind. Okay, and same way in the human with some handicap. What is the rebirth link in moment? Resultant of wholesome investigative mind. Same way, life continue also and dead consciousness also. Now you see, there are two investigating, there are three functions we already know now. In the chitta process, after receiving the object, after receiving consciousness arising, investigative mind. This is a investigating functions. After 7 jhana, sometime arising registration mind. At that time, one of the function of investigating. Then I can give one example. Okay, for the one process. Take the process, the IDO process. Okay, now this is the IDO process. Okay, now you see here number 7 and number 16, 17. Okay, it is mark. Number 7 means investigating functions. Okay, number 7 means investigating function. Number 15 and 16 and 17 means registration function. Okay. Okay. Okay, one example. Okay, please write the mark here, brother. The resultant of unwholesome. Resultant of unwholesome. Okay, because the unwholesome. Okay, now okay, the one meditators, he always keep in the mindfulness. But anyway, one day suddenly he saw the one of the dead body. Okay, this is what's the color object? Dead body. Example, huh? Taking the dead body by IDO. If someone can see dead body means good or bad? It's bad. Means akusal vipaka, no? Resultant of unwholesome. No? I consciousness also resultant of unwholesome. Receiving mind also same. Investigating mind also same. Okay? After that, the Vattapana moment. But he's a meditator. He always keeping the mindfulness. Because of that, change that place. Then his mind become yoniso manasika, because this dead body become the meditation object for him. Vottapana change to yoniso manasikara. Okay? Yoniso manasikara. After that, arising one of the wholesome mind. Because of meditation, no? Cannot be the somanasa. Why? This is a bad. This is an object. This is a dead. At that time, the difficult to appear the somanasa javana, happiness javana, equanimity wholesome arising. The wholesome mind, the equanimity, upekka. Then after 7 upekka, arising to registration. No, the registration is the resultant mind, vipaka. No, not wholesome, no? Not unwholesome also. It's vipaka, resultant only. This is the registration is by the vipaka. These are functions, no? Arising, because this one follow the nature of the object. Okay? Always registration mind following the nature of the object. Means which kind of object javana take, the same object that take him is nature of the object. Because of that, Tadaramana, I told already, one of the 11, no? The registration moment can appear 11 type of, one of the 11. Do you remember? One of the 11 consciousness. But here, akusala vipaka, resultant of unwholesome registration mind, means the investigative mind. The same mind, this same consciousness arising here. But chitta same, but function different. At that here arising only the same mind, the here investigating the same consciousness arising between registration moment also. Why? They follow the nature of the object. Nature of the object.
So what he's taking a wife's attention, he become wholesome to him, right? So
Yeah. Process wholesome until 7 javana. Okay. After javana is a vipaka. Tadaram is a registration vipaka, no? One of the vipaka. But the javana wholesome, but the resultant cannot be the wholesome resultant. Why? Because the always the registration function, registration mind always taking the nature of the object they are following. Then automatically they change to the akusala vipaka.
So mindfulness doesn't help to.
No, he helped. No, mindfulness helped him to develop the wholesome. Because this is a resultant, no? Just we don't need to think about that. It's the important thing here. Because if javana, the creative, the karma for the future. Javana always creative the karma for the future. If you create the good thing, you can get the good thing in future. If they create the bad thing, you can get the bad. Okay?
So, Bhante, sorry, just to clarify, that means in a process like this, all the different chittas, right, except for Javana, the rest are all resultant. That means a result of.
Not all function also have.
Sorry.
Oh,
yeah. Except for Javana, the rest of the chittas are resultant. Vipaka.
What he done in the past. Yeah. Yes, correct.
So due to past karma, we experience something. So
Yes.
the one we cannot change.
Yes,
But
cannot change.
because of wise attention, even though due to past karma we experience bad, like
Object.
bad object,
Mm.
but if we have yoniso manasikara,
Yes.
then the javanas, which is our karma,
Yes. The present karma.
we can have wholesome karma
Mm.
in future.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, Bhante.
Yeah. Okay. But yeah, those are things also we have to apply in the practically, especially for the meditators. We should meditate. Without the practical knowledge, we cannot understand Abhidhamma. This Abhidhamma is not the counting method. I always say like that. Because the people, yeah, but because there's so many numbers, but yeah, but okay, but this is one example. Okay, another example for the same process. Now the result of a wholesome investigating, okay, the equanimity. Breath. But this is not the I-do, no? This is a mind-do process. This is I'm giving the talk for the I-do. Because in the mind-do don't have investigative mind, no? Yeah. Investigating concentration only the eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, and five-do. Okay, anyway, enough. Good enough. Otherwise, too tired for everybody, including me also. Okay, now there are 5 functions you can understand. Okay, now rebirth, linking, life continue, death and registration and investigating. The same way, there are 8 great resultant perform 4 functions. What are the 4? Rebirth, linking, life continue, death and registration. How you understand? Example, me, okay, myself. Okay, example, okay, in the past life, I already make the very good kusala. Okay, example, okay, just example, not serious. I offer the big flower basket for the Buddha. Nearly that moment appear this object. Because of that, I reborn in the human world. Okay. But anyway, I have after offering the flowers, I already done the one aspiration. I want to be the monk. Okay. Anyway, now I became the monk. Then how about the birth linking moment? Rebirth linking moment is one of the great result. Okay, what is the result? Somanasa sahagata jnana sampayuta asankarika. Okay, this first resultant mind. Same way, life continue also same. When I am die, at that moment also same. Okay. Now in the current moment, I am seeing the Buddha. Oh, sadhu, sadhu. I'm very happy, and I offer the flowers for the Buddha. Then at that moment also, chitta process. Then the Javana, 7 Javana arising. This is the same kusala. So the after Javana arising, one of the registration mind, Tadaramana. Okay. At Tadaramana also, the taking the nature of the object. I told, no? This Buddha image, very good object. Because of that, this is my good result, no? This is after Javana arising, resultant mind. This is my good vipaka. So, after 7 Javana arising, the one of the great resultant mind. What is the Somanasa Sahagata Jnana Sampayuta Asankarika Vipaka? That's why they mention according here, there are 8 great resultant for 4 functions. Rebirth, my rebirth also, and life continue also, death also, and registration mind. When I take in the good object, at that time, appear in the one of the result, the great resultant. Next one, for the 9 type of sublime resultant mind. what are the sublime? Huh? In the vipak of the jhana, someone practicing first jhana, nearly that moment, they take the first jhana object, again take the same object, first jhana's object. Because of that, he can reborn in the Brahma world. What is the Patisandhi? First resultant of the first jhana. What is his life continue? Result of the first jhana. What is his dead consciousness? Also, first resultant of the first jhana. Okay? This is how many jhana mind? There are 9. 4 fine material. So 5 fine material and 4 immaterial. The 9 jhana wholesome. The same way their result also 9. Same result. Okay, investigating consciousness accompanied by joy perform 2 functions: investigating and registration. In the one process, only investigating and registration. But in the investigating with joy mind, this means somanasa sahagata santirana, that consciousness cannot give in the patisandhi, cannot become bhavanga, cannot become chuti. Only in the because there are 3 types of investigating. Now you don't confuse, huh? There are 3 types of investigating. The 2 of investigating can give 5 functions. There are 5 form perform 5 functions. Okay? But the investigating conscious accompanied by joy, there are only perform 2 functions: investigating, registration. Then next one, determining. Consciousness perform 2 functions: determining and adverting. Okay, take the chitta process again. Okay, here, number 8. In the Fido process, number 8 means Vottapan, determining. This is a 1 functions. Okay, in the Ido, same way, ear, nose, tongue, body. The Vottapan moment view, determining. Take the mano. Okay, this one, the Mindo process. It's a M, number 4. Adverting function. This is the consciousness same, but there are 2 functions. Mind or adverting consciousness, they are perform 2 functions. One is a determining, another one is a adverting. Okay? Actually, this is a brief explanation. If you can go to the chapter 4, they have the more details, and they have practical. But anyway, but we also don't know about next lesson, the next classes. Better ask the brother to take the soft copy. We already make the Chitta Vidya process, no? Chitta Vidya lesson already we make. I think more than 70 pages, no? More than 70 pages. 70, no? Many, yeah. More than 70 pages about Chitta process. They have with details. But because after finish those are lessons, if you can get these notes, you can read by yourself and try to manage. 81 pages. Okay. Okay. Okay, the one more thing, but they have this, but I also don't know, but they can understand or not. Page number 8. Huh? Already make? Oh, okay. Now, okay, but this one also not included your notes, but later you can ask from the brother. But there's a page number 8, they have the big table, no? But all are Pali. And can understand? Page number 8, the table. Classification of stage by consciousness. The function, the kitchen, the stage in the mind process, they have the chitta, between, and. Okay? Now, you see, the Patisandhi moment. Patisandhi is a chitta, Patisandhi, between Chuti and Bhavanga. Means the Patisandhi consciousness arising, the where arising, which place? The Patisandhi consciousness, the relinking, the rebirth linking mind moment arising in which place arising? This is what we want to know. Now, see, chitta process. Okay, between Chuti and Bhavanga. Example, this is a nearly dead moment process. You have to mark, this is a past life, this is a present life. Okay, from here, this is a past life, this is a present life. Okay, this is Chuti's. Okay, this is Chuti. Okay, the Chuti is okay, Chuti. Okay. Now we are talking about the Patisandhi. P is Patisandhi. What is the place of Patisandhi in the chitta process? Between Chuti and between first Bhavanga of the life, new life. Please write down. Please write down. Okay. Then page number 8, number 1, Patisandhi. Patisandhi consciousness between Chuti and Bhavanga. They mention, no? Okay. You write down the between Chuti and present, the first Bhavanga of the new life. This is a place, only one place. Everywhere same. Cannot be different. Okay? Everywhere. For the human world, for the woeful plane, for the Brahma world, everywhere same. If somebody asks from you, okay, what is the place for the Patisandhi, according to Chitta process? Then this is the answer. Okay? Next one, little bit details. Number 2. Already done? First one already? Did you catch the meaning? Okay? Okay. Number 2 is a Bhavanga. Page number 8, the current lesson, the Kicha Sangaha. Okay? Page the number 2, Bhavanga. Okay. They have the meaning. Bhavanga can appear how many places? How many stages? Not only one place, not only 2 places. There are few places. There are 6. No, 7, no? 6, okay, 6 places. This is also important for us. First one, Patisandhi and adverting. Yeah, see? Okay, after this is a Bhava Nikantika Viti, no? Yeah. Bhavanga, between Patisandhi and adverting. Bhavanikantika chittati. Bhavanikantika, how to say English? Attached to the life, existence. Attachment to the existence. Because everyone, after the rebirth, the world, after 17 mind moment, automatically, if he like to this life, he attach. Attachment mind. This is if you not attach, go into another place. Then again chuti, go into another place. Disappear. If no attached to here. Okay? But I don't know nowadays according to science, no? They have a different explanation, no? Okay. Anyway, this is a Patisandhi, okay? This is a Bhavanga, 17 mind moment, 16, no? 16 Bhavanga. But this is the M. M meaning mind or adverting consciousness. Say one of the adverting mind. This is a one place. Between Patisandhi and adverting moment, Bhavanga can appear. One or two or many. Okay? At least one. Yeah, no, my means that. Yeah, here it must be 16. Must be 16, but some place the maximum one also is possible. But here I got 16 here. So, okay, this one place. Also, see your notes, but between Patisandhi and adverting. Okay, you understand? Later you take these notes from the brother. Next one, between Tadaramman and adverting. So then, okay. Okay. It's okay, no problem. But I don't know, they confuse. Okay. Now, sometimes Bhavanga arising between Tadaramman and adverting mind. Now you remember I told, after we take in the object, arising 17 mind moment. After that, arising few Bhavanga, we don't know how many uncountable Bhavanga sometimes. Again, the same object taking from the mind door. But this is also including I-do process. I do the following process. After 17 mind moment arising, following process. 4 or 5 or many. Okay? Then the first following process is starting from the Manodwara, the mind door adverting. Okay? Now between the 17 moment and first the mind door adverting, between also Bhavanga can have many Bhavanga, especially for the Buddha. How many Bhavanga? Only 1 or 2 or 3. For us, that's why sometimes after we see the object, they take time to understand, no? We spend the time, no? I mean, so many Bhavanga between. So many Bhavanga between the Chitta process. Especially if he doesn't know the name of the material. Okay, this one very new for me. I never seen before. I want to know. So many Bhavanga going. Take object between the Chitta process. Okay? For the Lord Buddha, know everything in this world. There's a Sabbanyu. Omniscient knowledge. He has omniscient knowledge. Because of that, everything know the Lord Buddha in this world. Then cannot hide anything. Lord Buddha can see in the far thing, also can listen from far. But for us, difficult, no? Okay. This is a place, okay? You understand? This is the Tadaramana adverting. Next one, Javana to adverting. Means sometime some chitta process not running 17 mind movement. Sometimes they stop after 15 mind movement. Then because after 7 javana arising bhavanga, no more registration consciousness. Yes, because the object not clear, not strong, not clear, not yeah. Okay, same way. No. This is different. Same another thing. Someone attained the jhana, okay? But in the jhana mind don't have tadaramana. Never ever arising tadaramana in the jhana moment. Okay? After the first jhana, we don't know how many time appear. Maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, after 50, after 1 hour, 2 hour, drop to bhavanga. Okay? Bhavanga. Then he want to recollect his own jhana. Then again, mind adverting arising to reflect. Example now, we after attain the jhana, then rose of the jhana, we want to reflect the jhana factors one by one. Then the adverting consciousness arising. No? Between javana and adverting consciousness arising, bhavanga, many. For the Buddha example, when the Lord Buddha making the twin miracle powers, means the Yamaka Mahapartiharya, Lord Buddha the same, who is looking, showing this Buddha's this power, can see the all together, the one eye producing the fire, next eye producing the water, the ear producing the fire, water, very fast, coming. But look like everything coming same time. No. Immediately, when Lord Buddha entered the fire kasina, at that time fire coming, after the 5 jhana, after javana moment, 1 or 2 bhavanga, immediately Lord Buddha attended the water, the kasina. Then appear the water. Now see the between the javana and the mind to adverting arising the bhavanga. Okay, this is a different place, another place. Okay. Next one, determining and adverting. Okay, sometimes chitta, the object very weak, cannot produce the javana. Just what the determining consciousness arising 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, again drop to bhavanga. Mind fall to bhavanga. Because the object very weak. At the no more javana. Then after determining consciousness, then drop to the bhavanga. When he again taking the object arising when again the adverting consciousness, then between determining and adverting arise so many bhavanga. Because of the object very weak. Next one, javana and chuti. This is important. This is only nearly dead moment. This is only nearly dead moment. The process? Which one? Okay. Now you see, because in the last chitta process of this life, very important. Why? They have the different type of the last process. Sometimes immediately 5 javana arising chuti, that moment. Sometimes after 5th javana arising 2 tadaramana and chuti. Sometimes after 5th javana arising 2 tadaramana and 1 or 2 bhavanga and chuti. Okay. This is our the last process of this life, everybody's. So sometime the bhavanga can appear between chuti and tadaramana. Means only the near the death moment. You see. Okay? I cannot say. I cannot say. Depend. This is everything safe. If you have 5 jhavana, we catch the wholesome, you are safe. No need to think rest. Tadaramana bhavanga, no need to think. Important thing, last 5 jhavana must be good sankhara. You have to prepare earlier. How you prepare? Yeah, you have to keep the good wishes. After you have a good aspiration. Okay, today I done this kusala. I want to practice Dhamma last moment of this life. I want to get the peaceful and calm the last process of this my life. You can do aspiration. But we are not going to, I'm not teaching for attach to the next life. But if you can get Nibbana in this, it's good. But if sometime no enough power, karma power to reach to Nibbana, then you should do this way also. To prepare in your last moment. Okay, next one. Tadarammana chuti. You see? Between Tadarammana chuti. Now see? Now the Javana chuti, same Tadarammana chuti, between. Okay, near that moment. Okay. Now, next one, I think now you know. But the Avajana, 2 place. Fido adverting consciousness, Fido Bhavanga Pancha Vinyana. Okay, means the, okay, already make, no? This one, no? Okay. After, yeah, so this one. The Fido adverting consciousness arising between arrest Bhavanga and no chuti here. Chakku, one of the 5 Panchavinya, one of the five consciousness. Chakku Vinyana, Sota, Gahana, Juha, Kaya, one of the. Okay, between. Must be this place, cannot appear at different other place. Fido adverting consciousness always arise in this place. Don't have other place. Okay? Next one, Mindo, this one. Always arising between here. Between Bhavangupache, then between Javana, Pit and Javana. Cannot appear another place. Okay? Next one, Panchavinyana. Okay, example, Chakku. All the time arising between Fido adverting consciousness and receiving mind. This is a regular place. Cannot be changed. Okay? Object can be changed, but the place of the mind cannot be changed. Always they follow the same place. Okay? Next one, Sampatichana. All the time between one of the 5 consciousness and investigative mind. This is a place of the receiving mind. Next one, investigating. Okay, they are investigating, there are 2. One, the Vattapana, there are 2 places between investigating and Javana. You see? Sorry? Yeah, sorry. The Santirana always between receiving and determined consciousness. Don't have other place. This is a place. Okay. Next one, the Vottapana, the determining consciousness. So they have the two places. One place between Santirana and first Javana. Okay. Second place here. If the weak object cannot produce the Javana, at that time, 1 or 2 or 3 times the determining consciousness arising. After that, fall to the Bhavanga. Mind fall to Bhavanga. Then between Santirana and Bhavanga, arising determining consciousness. Okay. About the Javana. Okay, this is also quite the detail, but I have to explain. Okay, the Javana, you see, there are how many places? There are also 6 places. Between determining and Tadaramana. This is a normal. If object very clear, if they have the 17 mind moment, that very easy to understand. The 7 Javana always arising between determining and Tadaramana. Okay, this is a one place. Second one, sometimes object not so like before, but they have the chitta process only 15 mind moment. After 15 moment, after 7 Javana, the mind fall to the Bhavanga. Then between determining and Bhavanga, arising Javana. This is number 2. You see? Okay. Next one about the Chuti moment, our last process of our life. Between determining and Chuti, arising 5 Javana. Okay. Actually, that process you should keep your mind because the death process, there are how many doors? There are 6 doors. Somebody near death moment can take color object also. Ear, nose, tongue, body and mind door. The one of the 6 door. But according to this one of the 5 door. Because chakku, eye consciousness or ear, nose, tongue, body. Okay, this is the Vottapana determining, otherwise adverting. But here only the determining, between determining consciousness and dead consciousness, the Javana arising. Okay. Next one, mind or adverting and Tadaram. This is simple. Now we know. Okay. When you are reflecting what you had done today, good or bad, all the time, the 7 Javana arising. Always 7 Javana between mind or adverting and Tadaramana. Next one, mind or adverting Bhavanga. Okay. Sometimes Tadaram, sometimes Bhavanga. Okay. Next one, mind or adverting Chuti. This is the last moment. This is the mind, someone, the dead with mind process. Dead moment arises the mind process. Mind or adverting between. Okay? Understand? Good. Good enough. Okay. Okay, now next one Tadaramana. Tadaramana is very simple, very easy. Between Javana and Bhavanga. Understand? No? If there are 17 mind moment between Javana and Bhavanga. In the near death moment, if they have any Tadaramana between Chuti and Javana or Bhavanga. Sorry? Sorry. Between Javana and Bhavanga. Same. Yeah. Yes, correct. The same, no? Okay. Chuti and Javana. Okay. Next one, the last one. Chuti. There are three places. Javana and Patisandhi. You understand? You see? This is a present life. This is past life. Chuti arising between last Javana and Patisandhi. Second one, Chuti arising Bhavanga, between Bhavanga and Patisandhi. Chuti arising between Tadaraman and Patisandhi. Good lesson, no? But please ask the notes, the all Chitta Viti, the notes to combine together. Yes, good. I'm happy to listen like this word. Okay, page number 10. I think no need to blur. Okay. I think maybe. Yeah, okay. Tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow is tomorrow 2:30, no? 2:30. Okay. About the Dwara, next chapter tomorrow. But anyway, tomorrow we have to do the two lessons, Dwara and Aramana both.